What time is it, bro? Bro, it's already 8:30, bro. Wake up, wake up. It's already 8:30, and we have another case in the mines.
Another case in the mines? Okay, should we, since we already know or no?
No, let's go and close off the caves.
Yeah.
Gotta put this in for charge.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, I'll be. Yo, who's that? What's that black thing?
Wait.
Yo, who's that?
Wait, there's somebody over there?
We need to go fast.
Yo, where is he?
What? Where'd he go?
Where did he go, bro?
It's a picture of us sleeping.
Wait, is it? Yo, what?
Yes.
We have to block this
Here.
off. Let's go get in our suits after.
Yeah, we need suits.
Block this
Before
off.
we do
What
anything.
the hell?
Okay, y'all, let's go and get in our suit.
Yeah.
I'll take the camera.
Alright. We need to save that and scan and have it for scanning.
Yeah.
That's pretty scary. How could someone get a picture of us?
There's blood
Who's
here.
really spying on us, though?
Yo! Officer 7, there's blood here.
stains. Yeah, let me take a look at these.
It's gone.
It's gone. Magic blood.
Must have dried into the sand.
Yeah, that's
There's a
weird.
lot of stuff on here.
Alright, I'm gonna get
Okay,
changed
yo.
real quick.
Okay, let's
Patrol uniform.
We're changing. Let's change the suits. Let's go.
Alright.
Yo, why does it say? Oh. Okay, let's go.
Okay, officer, we'll be waiting at you at the caves for you if you guys leave fall behind.
Come get a ride.
I don't need one.
Oh well.
That's very weird, cause like the CIA made an announcement on the radio that nobody can go into this cave, and somebody literally just went in.
Yeah, and even look at the signs. Like, how can they not tell?
Yeah. Like,
Plus.
Wait, just making sure our walkie-talkies work, right? Because
They've been pretty.
yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you on them.
does mine work?
Yes, it does. Yo, what is this, bro? I haven't been here in a while, so I forget everything. Forget everything about these caves. What
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell? What the hell?
What?
We need a
Flashlights off.
go to
flashlights
a safe
off,
place.
Flashlights off.
Something
Flashlights
hide.
off.
Something
Officer
can
2.
lock them.
Officer 2. Flashlights off. Flashlights off. Take out your guns. I think.
Hey, if you're down there, I repeat, is anyone down there?
Nobody.
If you
is.
are, please come up with your hands up.
This is
We need
considered
to slowly make our way
trespassing.
down. Slowly make our way down.
These caves have been closed off. Come up now. This is private property.
This is really abandoned.
Yeah. Let's check these first. Take out your guns. There could be anything in here.
And one more time, I repeat, if you are down there, come up with your hands up.
Whoa, Angler! I didn't know Angler was in here. What the? Turn off your lights immediately. Lights off.
It's not gonna end like this.
Oh,
Good thing
I
had
did
my
not
riot
know
shield.
Angler was in there.
Guys, spider. Let's get out of here. What the hell?
Does anyone have a bandage?
Here, you have healer? I got some I have healer in my bag. What was that? I just heard a
Wait.
shot. I just heard a shot.
What was that?
Oh,
Oh, I hit another one.
Oh shoot!
yo.
Guys, I can't.
Are you
You
guys-
can't just be me.
No, that's crazy. That's.
Guys.
Oh, let's check these caves.
Whoa! I just saw a bullet. It's up. It's up.
Guys, there's noises coming from this one.
Yeah, let's head in here. Hello. What was that?
Guys, I keep hearing shots. We need to go. We need to go up. I hear shots. Guys,
Okay.
go.
Guys, hey listen, if I leave, it's just because I have some important activities.
Alright, it's okay.
Oh, I see it. I see him. Put your hands up. Drop
your-
all your weapons. He's going. He's trying to run.
Oh, I've been hit.
He's up here.
Grappling up. Oh,
Well, where did he go?
you
Let's
hear
go
that?
this way. Let's go this way.
Nothing. Let's head back. Over here.
Strange.
This way?
Think straight might be on. Oh wait.
No. Straight. We gotta go straight. If you can hear us, listen. Put your hands up. We are the police.
Oh, I see him. No, probably just the shadow. Dead end.
Yeah. We saw a shadow. We just saw a shadow
Yeah. Okay.
over there. But
You saw
there's
what now?
a shadow. There was just a shadow over there.
Okay.
What was that?
What the?
Guys,
If you're down here, come out with your hands up. Nah,
See?
guys, there's nothing down here.
There's nothing down
down
here.
here.
Let's head out.
What the hell?
if we
Guys,
have another
guys, I'm gonna
shot
head this way in
there,
case
I
he's
think
this
we
way.
need to search
I'm gonna head
as much
this way in case he's this way. Alright? You guys head down there. We split up. I'll check this way.
You
guys
sure?
go around
Officer
there.
7, you
Make
sure?
sure
Yeah, I'm
You're gonna be
sure.
okay? Alright.
I'll be safe. Don't worry.
Officer 2, I guess it's just me and you now.
Yes.
Wait. Why is
That's
there...
mine.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, why is there just a flashlight there? Where should we go?
I think we should go to Officer 7.
No. I think it's fine. These are both dead ends. Let's check a different cave.
Yo, guys, he's here! Ah!
Oh no!
We're coming.
We are coming! Oh! Where?
Put your hands up.
He got frozen. What?
I saw the officer. With the
Oh, run!
Whoa,
Fired! Shots fired!
You're under arrest. You're under
You're
arrest.
under arrest! You're under arrest! Put your hands up!
Surrender right now, or you will die.
Surrender! Now! Surrender! He's running! He's running!
Surrender.
Don't let him!
We aren't
Surrender.
trying to kill you. Okay.
Why are you
I think
in
we have to.
here?
He killed one of our people.
Ooh. Yes! We got him. Oh no. That was a very dangerous case.
Take his stuff in.
We need to take his stuff in. I think that's it for this case. That might have been who we got killed. That might have been who killed them.
Yes.
We need to find out what happened to Officer 7 because he just like disappeared. That's super weird. Like, why did Officer 7 just like... Why did Officer 7 just like leave like that?
Yeah.
Like, how did he get like teleported? Like, that's very, very weird. Like, we've never seen anything like that.
We really need to scan this bag. This is...
That's so weird.
First, let's see what a look inside of it.
Just a revolver.
Probably.
Alright. Let's leave this sit overnight and I'm gonna put all my stuff in my bag.
Yep, there is blood stuff.
Alright, I'm gonna put my bag in my locker and let's go to bed. Let's go to bed.
Yep.
Alright.
Let's go to bed now.
Officer 17 signing out.
Officer 7 signing out.
No, aren't you
But
Officer 2?
without Officer 7.
You're Officer 2.
Yeah, I know. I said 2. Didn't I say that?
No, you said Officer 7. I miss you, Officer 7. Hopefully you come back soon.
Officer